know that my iPad is a little bit more tinny than the computer, but I was having such problems recording this on my computer. It was jumping all over the place. I just want to stick this video on. Power to the people. That's all I can say.
Hello. How can we help? What's going on? As in? As in? What's going on?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
What are you doing here?
I'm working.
Okay. And you've been issued with a prohibition notice, haven't you?
I haven't accepted. I haven't been issued nothing. I haven't accepted any prohibition order. I was quite clear on video. I've gained evidence on that. I'd just like to say as well, nothing against you personally, but I have served papers and you guys are in contract with me. Right, I served all three of these on the 4th of November to PC 4739 Clark. I served them. They have till tomorrow to respond, otherwise it's taken as assent on an agreement. I have not got into any contract with the police or the government. I'm a living man. I do not consent. And as from tomorrow, they have run out of time to answer me with the proof of these questions.
Okay, I guess you've been in contact with another officer or something.
I've had 3 visits, and all I'm trying to do is run my business. That we have evidence to prove that they haven't isolated COVID-19. They haven't isolated it. We also know the PCR test. The PCR test. They've admitted that that doesn't work as well. So this is an unlawful lockdown, and it's an illegal lockdown. And I'd just like to point out as well, I've got a sworn affidavit. I have a sworn affidavit, right, that will make, as from tomorrow, any further visits from you guys, and I want to thank you because you've been quite respectful. I've got no problem with you guys at all.
Yeah.
If anything, we want you on our side.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? But I will, as from tomorrow, be putting out fees, and it'll be a 10 grand fee with every visit from the council or the police.
Okay.
Because you are in contract with me and I've got a sworn affidavit.
As far as I was aware, that I thought you'd been handed a prohibition notice, not for...
They tried to,
Yeah.
but they posted it through the door, and I'd already said to them, I do not consent to this, I'm not accepting this, I do not acknowledge this, I stand under a common law jurisdiction.
Right.
I told this to the council. The police have been pretty fair, to be fair.
Yeah.
Apart from the guy yesterday, he had a bit of an attitude, but you guys have been pretty fair. You've not given me too much hassle, and all I want to be doing is left alone so I can continue with my business. And I will be making public prosecutions and holding people personally responsible with my sworn affidavit. So,
Yeah. Alright.
if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
I think they just sent in you out. We haven't heard from anyone all day. It's been quite a blessing. I was actually going to put a video out.
No, they just asked us to take a drive by, so...
Yeah, but I was going to put a video out just to mention that I was going to thank you guys for leaving me alone today. You know, my problem is not with you guys at all.
Yeah.
What they've done to us, they're doing to you as well.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm just trying to get that word out there, that truth. There's one big truth, and we're collecting evidence for treason against the government. They've been served papers already through Michael Obanisia. Yeah, there's a lot going on right now, and this affects us all, including you guys.
Yeah.
And you guys are going to be first in line for the vaccines. You know that, don't you?
Who knows?
Yeah, it's honestly, it's no good. It's no good. This is the biggest thing, and it's going to go down in history. And I'm pleading with you guys to do the right thing.
Yeah.
Use your conscience, you know, and use discretion. That's what you guys do. You're meant to use your discretion to what's right and wrong. And you guys are sworn an allegiance to the Queen, not the government. The government are treasonous right now. We are in lawful dissent because we are not being governed properly. This land is governed by consent, and we do not consent. Okay?
Yeah.
It's nothing to do with you personally.
No, that's fine.
Could I have your name, please?
Yeah, it's Hannah Morgan.
Hannah Morgan, it's 299, is it?
Yeah.
Hannah, thank you for being so respectful.
That's alright.
And that's all I'm trying to do as well. I'm a father of 6.
Yeah, no, I understand. It's really difficult.
It is. Especially when we know we have evidence. I've put a lot of research into this over this whole time we've been locked down. There's a lot of other people have too. But I've got a lot of backing and a lot of common law specialists. So it's not just me that's...
Yeah, we just have to enforce these guidelines.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Their guidelines are not law.
Yeah.
And civil procedure does not apply to we the people. That means civil action cannot be brought towards us because this is not a criminal matter, this is a civil matter. So your hands are tied. I know they're getting you to do stuff, but your hands really are tied. What you're doing when you come and do this, not you personally right now because you've been pretty fair, But when they come and try and be forceful with us, you're complying with fucking tyranny. Excuse my language. You're complying with tyranny and treason. And everyone that does comply with it will be held personally accountable in a public proceedings under a common law court with a jury of 12 peers, of my peers.
Okay, well, I'll leave you to it. Have you got customers in today, or...?
I'm not answering any questions. Okay? Thank you for your time, anyway.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can you just hold this for me as well? So yeah, we've been left alone all day today. I was quite pleased with it, to be fair.
Something's come up on your phone.
Hold on a minute.
My palm touched the screen.
Yeah. So yeah, basically, we've had no problems whatsoever at all today. It's been pretty nice, to be fair. So we've kept the crowd down to a bit just to help out a little bit and not cause any problems. But we've just had a visit, obviously, for the police. She was pretty nice, pretty fair. I've just been straight with her. But I'd just like to point out that I served notice that the police, on the 4th of November, PC 4739 Clark was served papers, all three of these. They were asked, they had 7 days to get back to me. 7 days to get back to me with another affidavit with proof that all these questions are answered with their proof. They've not got back. The police have till tomorrow. The council have till Thursday. I have now got a sworn affidavit that I can make claims for public prosecutions in a common law court. And so at any future visits after tomorrow from the police, I will be feeing them £10,000 for each visit. £10,000 to the police will be my fee for each visit. They are in contract with me because they have accepted my paperwork. They have been served by me. I have not been served by anyone. They tried to serve me a prohibition order. I did not consent. I did not accept the prohibition order. It is fraudulent anyway because under common law the legislation cannot be enforced. It is not law. It is guidelines, not law. And as from Thursday, the council now have till Thursday. So tomorrow is the police, the day after is the council. Any future visits from the council, because they're fraudulent in their claims too. Any future visits from them, it will be £10,000 per visit. I will be feeing them. As I said, I have a sworn affidavit, and I will hold each one of them people personally accountable in a public prosecution under common law courts. This is my right. I am lawfully dissenting. This land is governed by consent, and I do not consent to the government, to the police, or the council. These are service corporations. They are not the law. They're not meant to be ruling us. They're meant to be serving us. So I just want to point out that. So for the police and for the council, police, I thank you so much anyway for leaving me alone today. I do appreciate it. We're not against you. We'd rather you was on our side. What they're doing to us isn't just affecting us. It will affect you guys too. This is all about you guys too. And if anything, they keep it hidden from you like they keep it hidden from us, because if you guys turn on the system and you realise the massive fraud that's been made on you guys too, they're in trouble. But just going to keep it simple now. That is it now. As from tomorrow and as from Thursday, I will be issuing £10,000 penalties to the police and the council for any future visits. They had 7 days from the 4th and the 5th of November to come back to me with proof of all this paperwork. They've not got back to me. Also, I'll be putting in and making a claim of harassment. If I get arrested, I will be putting in for another trespass claim for kidnap. So anyway, I'm going to get on with my tattoo now. We are open, guys. We're going to continue to stay open. We're not doing anything wrong. It is our right to stay open. We are going to stay open. Power to the people. We have the power. And that's it. We've got to stick to our guns, guys. The more of you need to get off your asses and do this shit, because this is the right thing to be doing. What they're doing is wrong. What they're doing is wrong. That is it. I hope all you guys do it, and I wish you all the best of luck, and I applaud all of you that are doing it. I really do. And I'm not after any fame or nothing. I don't give a fuck about followers. I don't care about any of that. That's not why I'm doing this. I'm a father of 6. I've seen what's been going on from the beginning, and I've been fighting it from the beginning. And I will continue to fight whether it fucking kills me. I'm not doing this for any likes, I'm not doing this for any followers, and I'm definitely not going to go setting up a GoFundMe page, alright? I don't need the GoFundMe page because the fines are unenforceable. Why the fuck would you need a GoFundMe page? The fines are unenforceable. I'm not interested in any of that. I'm just doing the right thing for me, my family, and for us, we the people. Okay? Thanks a lot.
Hey, what a brilliant, brilliant man. On my computer it says today's instalment from our favourite tattoo artist in Bristol as the police, and I can't go into it because it'll go on and you'll hear it twice off of my computer, but it was just jumping all over my computer, but I wanted to put that out. Here, power to the people, and yeah, common law. Anyway, I'm going to turn the video off now. Well, when I get there. Oh, it's always good fun, isn't it? Anyway, thanks for watching. Listen to what he says. Good luck, everybody.